Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to reset eToro chart. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Now we have really cool feature here so that we don't have any pretty much hard work to do. So what you need to do basically is just right click on your mouse and you will see the first one here, reset chart view. So if you click on that, you will basically be zoomed out. And yeah, you will see the whole chart right now. All right, now what else we can do is we can also clear indicators and drawings this way. So if you right click again, you will see down here that you can remove drawings, remove indicators. You can also hide marks on bars. So remove drawings, remove indicators, just like that. And we are now without them. As you can see, everything is basically gone on the chart. Now reset chart and we are back in the position. So this is pretty much it, how you can reset eToro chart. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next.